Welcome back to the 6th episode of Spartan Spotlight. I'm one of your hosts, Jared Montevirgen.
And I'm your host, Alani Doleta. Spartans, we have exciting news. Our wonderful French Cup will be selling Halloween grams from October 10th, and the last day to buy is October 30th.
They offer 3 options: a $3 bag that includes 3 pieces of candy, a $5 bag that includes 2 cookies and 6 pieces of candy, and if you spend an extra $1, you can get a fun surprise.
There will be a movie night on October 26th, hosted by the Mesa Film Club. They will be showing The Corpse Bride from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Rio Mesa cafeteria.
We have our annual pumpkin carving competition. Pumpkin submissions are due on October 25th, and the school votes on October 26th in the quad.
The categories are funniest, scariest, and cutest. The fan favorite will be chosen.
Pumpkins can be carved or painted. Good luck.
As we celebrate Halloween, please be reminded that there's a Halloween dress code guide.
You cannot wear any type of gang-related clothing or costumes, promote anything that has hate or violence, or anything with the use of alcohol or drugs.
You cannot have any dangerous weapons or props or wear any sexual-related clothing. No mask will be allowed either.
Welcome back, Spartans, to the 6th episode of Spartan Spotlight. I'm Jaden King, your weatherman, and I'm here to talk about the new weather for this week. We really hope you guys enjoyed last week's weather, but now let's hop into the new weather for this week. Now, for this whole week is going to be sunny, but the only time it should be cloudy is in the mornings. But starting off with Monday, we're going to be having a high of 70 with a low of 57. And then Tuesday, same thing, we're going to be having a high of 70 with a low of 54. And then same thing again on Wednesday, we're going to be having a high of 70 with a low of 49. Now let's see Thursday. Thursday, we're going to be having a high of 71 with a low of 55. And then for Friday, we're going to be having a high of 72 with a low of 55. And then coming out to Saturday, we're going to be having a high of 74 with a low of 55. And then last day on Sunday, we're going to be having a high of 72 with a low of 56. The weather's always prone to change. This week is not too humid. This week's humidity is going to be 64% with its dew point being 59%. And we'll be back on regular time November 5th as daylight savings time ends. Don't forget to turn your clocks back an hour at 2 a.m. on Sunday, November 5th. We hope you guys enjoy the weather for this week and enjoy the rest of the spooky month, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hey Spartans, there is a beautiful and impressive student art on display in the library created by our very own visual arts students. Make sure you go and check them out. Spartans, are you struggling with your classes or need help with homework or even projects? Help is available. TutorMe is an online tutor available 24/7 offered by the school district.
You can connect with a live, highly qualified tutor in less than a minute to get help with when you need it. You can sign up using the link in the description or the QR code on screen.
Attention Spartans, you are now available to request items even when Miss Jimenez is not there.
You will be able to request items in the lockbox outside of her classroom. Paper will be provided.
Hey everyone, Veterans Day will be on November 10th on a Friday, and so we will not be having any school.
This is a good time to honor and pay respects to all the veterans who serve. They're all amazing people.
Rio Mesa will be hosting its annual Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, Remembrance Celebration.
It will be on Friday, November 3rd, and will be held in the Rio Mesa squad from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m.
Entry is free, and all students and Rio Mesa community members are welcomed.
There will be various displays to remember our loved ones, such as ofrendas, candles, flowers, and entertainment.
Attention, all 10th grade students interested in doing the IB-MYP program, personal project, you can now log into Toddle. Students are now able to log in with their school Google account.
This is a platform that provides templates and directions for optional independent projects.
If 10th grade students have more questions, they may come into the library to speak with Miss O.
The first urgent upcoming due dates for these projects are Title and Learning Goals due on October 24th,
Product Goals and Project Plan due November 1st,
and first meetings with supervisors completed by November 17th.
Currently, IB is registering a few 11th grade students and most 12th grade students enrolled in IB for the IB exams in May.
Also, all 11th and 12th graders who are in IB courses and their caregivers are required to complete an academic policy and procedure form, which can be found in the school website under academics.
Your parents also need to review the video and the documents to then submit their own form.
More information is provided in the description, and you can register for IB exams. You could scan the QR code on screen.
Spartans, make sure you join the Google Classroom for the College and Career Center to not miss out on opportunities such as
college application workshops. The CSU workshop will be on October 24th during lunch and after school. Then the UC workshop on October 25th after school.
Hey seniors, do you need any money for college? There are many scholarships available.
To view all the scholarships offers, make sure you check them out in the College and Career Center.
Speaking of scholarships, the Frito-Lay Scholarship Program is available to all seniors.
This opportunity honors students who improve their communities and plan to go onto a full-time undergraduate school.
The requirements for enroll are to be a U.S. resident and have a minimum GPA of 2.5.
The link to enroll is provided in the description.
Juniors and seniors, there will be a job application workshop on Thursday, October 26th during 6th period.
This workshop is great if you would like to learn more about the job application progress.
To register, you can complete this Google form. The link will be provided in the description.
Just a friendly reminder that CSUN will have their annual open house on Saturday, October 28th from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m.
You and your family are all welcome, and students who are applying to CSUN in 2024 can get hands-on help with their Cal State application as well.
To visit their website, the link is in the description.
That's all for this section. See you next time.
Welcome Spartans, I'm your host Amaya.
And I'm your better host, Kayvon. To start off this week in sports, boys water polo will be playing in a tournament against Oxnard at Oxnard High School this Wednesday and Thursday.
This Thursday, October 26th at 6:30, girls flag football will be playing against Buena at Rio Mesa. It's their last game, so make sure you go and show your support.
Last week, varsity football beat Oxnard 41-7.
Way to go, Spartans.
This Thursday at 4, JV football is playing Dos Pueblos at Dos Pueblos High School. And Friday, October 27th at 7, varsity will also be playing Dos Pueblos at Dos Pueblos High School.
This is their last game before playoffs, so make sure you go and show your support in the student section.
This Friday at 4:15, boys and girls cross country will be racing at Lake Casitas. Next Friday at 3, they will be racing at College Park.
Fall sports are coming to an end, and winter sports will be starting soon.
Some winter sports include girls water polo, boys and girls soccer, boys and girls basketball, and wrestling. That's for all genders, by the way.
Make sure to purchase your tickets at gofan.com.
Good luck to everyone competing.
See you next time.